We'll guide you through how to fix one of your AirPods not charging. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So firstly, what you want to do is go and look in the AirPods case itself, because if it isn't charging, it may mean that the connectors aren't connecting and therefore it can't charge. So make sure that there's no debris or anything in there which may be blocking it. And do the same on the AirPod itself, make sure there's nothing in there. If there is, you may need to go and get something to go and get it out with. I recommend using something plastic or wooden. Don't use any metal or anything like that because it may damage things. So yeah, be careful, but try and remove anything in there which may be blocking it. Then try putting it back in and go and see if it charges. If it still isn't charging after sort of giving it 10 minutes, then what I recommend you do is just make sure the case does have charge itself. So what I recommend you do is plug in the case. So plug it in just like so. And as you can see, the case is now charging. So now just give it sort of 5-10 minutes to give the chance for the AirPods to get some charge in them. However, if after that the AirPod is still not charging, then what I recommend you do is you go and reset your AirPods. This will factory reset them and sort of refresh everything. So to go and do that, all you need to do is open the case up, then come onto the back and you need to hold this button down until the light on the front flashes orange. So I'm just going to go and take the charger out for now just while I do this. And then what we want to do is start holding it now. And as you can see, it's now glowing white. Just keep that button pressed, as you can see I am, until it changes color to that sort of red-orange color. Just like that, and that means that they've now been reset. So this will factory reset them, as I said. You will need to then repair them with your phone, but hopefully that will allow your AirPod to charge. So after resetting them, what I'd then do is go and plug the case back in as well, and then let them charge for 5 to 10 minutes, and hopefully they'll then go and work. So I hope one of the methods in this video did work for you. If they did, please leave a like.